Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Our tips are looking a little dirty. Let's take care of them.
Alright guys, let's take a look at the exhaust tips real quick. So these are stainless steel aftermarket tips. They're a dual staggered set. I actually bought them last year, and finally I got them installed by a local exhaust shop last spring. Actually, I haven't touched them ever since. The only cleaning I've done to them during the year is during a car wash, and I only just wiped them down. Nothing extensive really. As you can see, these are pretty dirty and pitted. I don't drive around like dirt roads or anything either. It really only takes a few months of neglect to get like this. So disclosure, I am not a pro detailer or anything like that. I'm sure there are way better methods of cleaning exhaust tips out there, but this is just my way of cleaning, and I'm using what I have available to me. So it's a nice cheap way of getting good results, hopefully. With that being said, let's go take a look at all the stuff I'll be using today. First off, I gotta put some gloves on. I usually put on some type of gloves when I'm working on the car. Plus it helps not get any cleaning chemicals on my bare hands. Second is a spray bottle. I just have warm water and dish soap in there. It should help remove the top layer of dust, dirt, and any extra exhaust deposits. Third is a wheel cleaner I have. It actually works great on rims. I figured it would be an extra cleaning measure to get off that extra stuff that's caked onto there. Fourth is a product I bought a while ago that I totally forgot until now. It's called Nevr-Dull. It's from the company Eagle One. Apparently it cleans and polishes particular metals, so it should be great on the stainless steel tips. It was recommended by a friend. This is the first time I'm using this product, so we'll see how it goes. I also forgot to mention that I'll be using some microfiber towels. I do have a drill, but I don't have a cone attachment and a cutting compound. It would help with making it shine more, but it's not a big deal. Alright, let's start cleaning the tips. I just got done using the Soapy Water along with the microfiber towel. I basically just sprayed a heavy amount and used a cloth to wipe it clean. It actually did a good amount of cleaning. Take a look. The areas that had water and dirt spots are gone. I'm sure if I had some steel wool or a brush, I'd be able to clean it a little bit more thorough, but it's all good. Next up, the wheel cleaner. It should help since it eats up brake dust for the wheels. Let's go take a look. You can see that it did help slightly. I think it lifted up the more heavy deposits. And on the floor you can see it did drip down. And since it turned purple, it did activate and did some cleaning. Not bad for something I had on hand already. Up next, let's check out the Eagle One Nevr-Dull. So I started off by just opening up the can and grabbing a small amount of their pad. The pad had some texture and it was a bit oily, so it did have some type of chemical on it. I buffed all the areas that I could reach. It did clean and polish a good amount of the tips. It made it look pretty shiny, honestly. I know originally the tips brand new weren't the shiniest stainless steel tips, so I wasn't expecting it to look super shiny, but overall a great product. That I can think of, the only thing I'm missing is some type of sealant, but it's not a big deal. Once again, I am not a pro detailer. Pretty much spent $0 because I already had all these items. And the Nevr-Dull doesn't cost a lot either. So this is my first time putting extra effort into cleaning any exhaust tips. I'm actually really happy with the results.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Our tips are nice and clean now, so we'll be able to impress the ladies. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. In the next video, we're going to check out the Stage 3 mod on the exhaust. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.